Hey, what's up everyone? Michelle Alexandria here, coming at you with another review. Actually, this isn't a review. This is actually a brand new Feeble unboxing. I'm not sure how to record this because in my new condo, I'm not set up to have a YouTube studio yet. So I'm still trying to figure out what to do about that. At the end of maybe June, I'll probably have my second room, one of my rooms set up to be a home studio, or maybe I will go out to the patio, set up some chairs, maybe a little desk, and then I'll do some unboxings from my brand new patio. But then you'll get shots of my new car and everything, and other cars in the background. I don't know what you get out of that, but I really wanted to do a Feeble unboxing today because I just got something very cool. And what is this? This is this must be the world's smallest soundbar setup in home theater setup, because normally when you get a home theater kit, it's huge and like this big and weighs 30 or 40 pounds, but this time I think I finally got my dream system. As many of you know, I'm a fan of sound bars because I live in a condo, and frankly, I don't want to deal with a bunch of wires and any of that kind of stuff, which is why I've never really owned a true home theater setup, because of all the hassle involved, all the wires involved. But this company called Damson has my dream unit. It's a company called Damson. You spell it D-A-M-S-O-N, and it's called the S series. And what this thing is a fully wireless Dolby 5.1 Dolby Atmos kit. And it's fully wireless. The two rear speakers actually use rechargeable batteries that last up to 8 hours. And I think managing rechargeable batteries for my speaker system may drive me a little crazy, but this thing is a fully realized Dolby Atmos kit. So right here on the front, you have your front speaker, and it has this weird subwoofer setup where it's like this small square subwoofer, plus it includes two satellite speakers, and then the front three channel system. So it's very nice. And look at the size of this box. This is pretty freaking amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to open this up and do a Feeble unboxing for you guys so you can actually see it in action. And I'm going to try to keep this video short because then in the next few days I'm going to do a review of it. But it fully supports Dolby Atmos. How amazing is that? It supports, and let me show you, it supports, it says the most immersive 3D sound experience, wireless tech, no messy wires, which is what I've always dreamed of. It's supposed to be powerful. The satellite speakers last 8 hours, and it's supposed to be simple to use. So what I'm going to end up doing is I bought two speaker stands, and I'm going to put the speaker stands way over there by my computer setup, which eventually will go into my home office if I ever get around to properly setting that up. So I'm not going to put it right behind the couch here. I'm going to put it way back there so it's out of the way. And then so let's open this thing up and see what we get. And in my next video, I'm going to tell you my TCL story. That video will only take about 3 minutes. I'm trying to learn how to cut back on my thing. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is it. This is the sound bar. This is all you need. This is your entire kit. Look at that. That is awesome. So you take out here, wow, this is so cool. This is me happy, folks. This is me happy. If this delivers the sound that I hope it does, this is going to be so amazing. And this kit cost me $800 on Amazon, so it's not exactly cheap, but if it does what it claims it's going to do, this is going to be my dream kit. So here it is. You have your two satellite speakers right here. And this is really nicely packaged. Then you have this. This is actually a subwoofer. Look how small this thing is. And it has like the square shape. So look at that. That's beautiful. And this again, this is called the Damson S system. And back here, it actually even has two 4K Dolby Vision enabled pass-throughs on it. So there you go. And then I don't know what this is. And then this is the last piece. I'm not sure. I'm not even sure what this is. So let's delve in, open it up. And again, Feeble unboxing, people. Don't expect much. So here it is. I don't know what this thing does, but I will find out. What did I do with my scissors? I lost my scissors. I just had them. I just had them. Don't you hate that? Don't you hate that, people? I just had the scissors in my hands. Literally in my hands. Where did it go? Where did my scissors go? Okay, so I want to rip this open. Very easy to open. So actually, oh, this is the center channel speaker. And you can actually see the two tweeters right there. You can see the two tweeters. This is very cool. I really hope this isn't a piece of junk because I'm tired of returning stuff. And I paid $800 for this, so it should be really nice. But look, you can see the two speakers right there. That's cool. So let's put that there. Wow. These speakers actually remind me of the Bose speakers, because you know how when you go to the store, into the Bose store, and they unveil the really small compact speakers? This is that. So hold on, and I'm starting to sweat. I don't know how people could be on camera and be so calm, cool, and not sweat, but look at me, I'm sweating. So look at this. So this is the speaker. These are the 7-way speakers. And I don't know, I think it's a built-in rechargeable battery, actually. So I think what's going to happen is, like, each night or every couple of nights, I'm just going to have to remember to wirelessly charge these things, which I think is going to bug me after a while, but it's exactly what I've always wanted. And again, it supports all Dolby audio, so so it supports DTX, it supports Dolby Atmos, Dolby digital surround sound. So this is amazing. So these are brackets I get. Oh, it comes with Universal Plus, which is really nice. Oh, I get it. So what you do, that's why this is called Feeble Unboxing, people. I never clickbait. So if I say it's Feeble Unboxing, it is Feeble Unboxing. So basically, these are plugs. These are universal plugs. So I guess you take this, you plug it in somewhere here, and you plug it in. Oh, right, you plug it in, and then you plug it into the wall to charge it. It doesn't get much easier than that. Come on. You see, this is me being really happy and excited. So then you have a simple power cable right here. Simple power cable for your speakers. And then this is the subwoofer. So let's take a look at the subwoofer, the woof woof. So, wow. Wow, this is so slick. Plastic that would never go away. So there you go. And then this is the subwoofer. a subwoofer, people. How cool is this? So this is the subwoofer. So this is your, and this, again, full Dolby Atmos. This is a 5.1 full Dolby Atmos system. How cool is this? So I'm gonna go off, set this up, and in a few days I'll do a follow-up video, let you know how it all sounds. But I'm really hoping it's really good, and for $800 it better be. But really, this is my dream system, and I'm really hoping it lives up to the dream. So thank you again. This is the Damson S-Bar. This is the Damson S-Bar S-Woofer setup, or a kit, or whatever they want to call it. But it retails for $7.99 on Amazon. So I bought this. So with tax was about $830, and then I threw in a couple of satellite stands for my speakers. So the entire kit was about $870. So now I have a real Dolby Atmos soundbar setup, or a real Dolby Atmos setup. So I'm really happy. Let's give this a thumb up right for now. So talk to you guys later. Bye.